Hello guys and welcome back to another game of Roblox. Today we're going to play Bee Swarm Simulator because the game just got an update, a very big update. The update is very big, but I mostly hate it because there's something bad. We have slot to put item in, and I don't like that because I love pressing the G, then pressing 3. No! Why? Well, don't need any more goo again because I'm doing my quest. It's very fun actually, guys. Okay, Chubby Love, got it. I've been very fun down now. I'm farming so much. Turn 15 bond now? That's crazy because B can now go up to level a more higher level. I'm coming. Wait for a bit. Why is honeybees still here? Because I don't see the point of honeybee being here. Is honeybee a boy or a girl? I don't really know. Because we are just pseudos. It's so fun. This is level 7, so it is maybe very high. It is pretty high for you guys. Some of you guys can die actually. And for real, die. Oh my goodness, 5 stingers from Visit B as a daily bonus. That is very high. I'm not going to lie. Oh! You never let me down, okay? What? Wait a minute. Where is my item? What's my porcelain dipper? No! I'm dying. Yeah, go away, puppies. Okay, I got my hello, spirit starter, spirit bear. Somehow she's standing in her sleep. Chicky, stubborn. Why not let her rest while you complete her rest? Her quest. Oh. Please try this. Really? Yes! Oh! That was a lot. Okay, I'm trying everything I can in this new update. What will I exchange? Okay. Why do I need to press this? Winner, chicken dinner. What do I get from just one? Really? Okay. Hello, Mr. Windy. Windy B is here. Oh my goodness, Windy B is here. Oh my goodness! He looks cool. Wiggly. New pack. Oh my goodness. So that looks cool. Starfleet special? Wait, why the most expensive item is under all the most cheapest items? All the cheap items. That is very weird. Auto off? What does that mean? How can I turn this on? Oh, well, that was dumb of me. So, oh, that's it. It and cool. Another chat. What a weird spot that appeared out of from nowhere. Cool. What do I want to check? Nothing new in here. Okay. Not much has been given out. 10, 20, 30. They are still the same, but this isn't the same bond as I remember. 29. Wait, how did I get 29? How many? What? I have 2 commander bees? How? 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 Let me get this. No! I just wasted a bunch of money. How about let me give this to music? Okay, that's cool. Let me check. Is it broken? Nope. But I can get 30. So cool. Well, okay. We get a B. Music. Okay, got back. How did I get this commander bee actually? Where did it come from? I don't even need a second one. Bye, commander. I need a lion. The update is out now, guys. Try it. Like, mostly it has bugs right now. It is very lechy and dark iris. But I try it. It's cool. Come on! Turn into a legendary, please. Come on. It's just too hard. Very hard. Oh, is that me? Cool. Where do we farm now? Nothing new in here? Yep. Let me go back. It's just so cool. Let me farm at the pepper field. It looks promising. Yep. Totally promising. Yeah. Really? Ouch. Ouch. That hurts. That hurts very much. Okay. Let's go. And do my quest again. Continuing. Okay. Let's go to a field. Oh, yes. Go. Get as much white as I can. Nope. Don't even try to pinch me. Ooh, pincher! Oh no! Whoop, whoop. Okay. Don't even try to make one of them fall down. No! Okay. That was close. Okay. Bye-bye. Let's go into my side! Okay. It's going to jump. Whoa! That was a oof. Oh, Frankendition. Nope, nope, nope. No, no! Wow. Well. Onett, can you make a fence here, please? I'm very scared. No, jumping. It will be very easy. What? You're gonna attack me from here? Okay. Nope. Okay. I'll check that. Oh no. Wow. That's very hard. Okay, time to attack. We can do this today. Haha, you spotted that. Okay. Lucky boots! No! You attack me right away? Like I learned everything. How to attack. How to win in an challenge from XD Mittens. And so that it does make sense. On. Surely on. Yes. Surely on. Oh no. Oh, wow. Zip sucks. Well, yep, you can get me. You're up here. The beast can. Wait. What? That is very easy. Like, totally easy. Oh, that should fix this. Surely fix this. It doesn't hit. You know, it doesn't hit. Good at my bees. Okay, then it's just so easy actually. Ah, very easy to beat up. Go! Boom! Okay. Go, go, go! Get him! Yeah, good job. Okay. So, let's wait for about a few minutes when he is going to die, okay guys? It's crazy. Really crazy. Look at that. It's getting punched so hard. it has already been 3 minutes and 10 seconds and he's dying. Not really. Like coconut crabs can die, but it is just hard. Like, why am I that pretty little kid, little person, just attacking a big, gigantic coconut crab? Here, let me go. Yeah, take that. Put on you. Okay. Okay. Let me keep pressing this. So funny. Let's make people think that I am using this on a street. Okay, let's wait a bit, okay? Okay guys, there's a new code. It's called at Bees Buzz 123. Okay, use it. It is revealed from that Spirit Bear. You guys maybe don't see her, but it was revealed in Bee Bear's dialogue. Okay, it has been 6 minutes and whoa. Like yeah, what? Come on. Okay, that's crazy. White pollen and palm pollen. Cool. Oh, friend and thunder goodnessens. Don't even run away. No! Come on. Well, that is a limit, guys. So mostly. Okay, he's out. Well, 1,000 more minutes, okay guys? Guys, we just defeated coconut crab. Here is the proof. See? Ah, come on. Why do I have to wait one more day? I'm getting a lot of... Okay. Like, I defeated him in only 9 minutes and, like, 9 minutes and 44 seconds. That is a pretty good number, but I really want to try more and more. Let me check. A tropical drink is here. Coconuts, put it in. Okay, 1. Okay, 1. Wait, I have to wait. Okay, that's good. Yo, back! Yeah, it's got some honey. Not going to waste anymore. I don't want to be a wasteful man. I'm doing this mission for, like, Spirit Bear. Spirit Bear? Spirit. Maybe I'm saying it wrong way. This game, the update was just out, so it's still pretty buggy, Let me check out this. My token. Okay. It's much. Token! I hate one. I hated one. Like, the coconut field doesn't have a fence around it. I really hate that. Seriously. Okay. So, no. I don't really know what to do now. Let me check out Brown Bear. Okay, let me go to Brown Bear. 410, so 410. So, you know. For me. I don't really want to buy two of these. Okay. Hello, mister. Mr. Filippo. Where are you? I was like, you know, cave is climbable. Bye. Let me go and go here. Okay. Moving around there. Well, hope you guys did enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Bye.